If your kitchen feels like a playground, you're a family that loves to bake. Let's dive into some fun, easy, and vegan recipes your kids will love to make. First up, rainbow cupcakes. Just mix your favorite vegan cake batter, divide it into bowls, add food coloring, and layer the colors in cupcake liners. Bake, cool, and you've got a colorful surprise in every bite. Next, how about some chocolate chip muffins? Mix up a simple vegan muffin batter, stir in vegan chocolate chips, and spoon into muffin tins. Bake until golden brown and enjoy the gooey, chocolatey goodness. Finally, let's make some animal-shaped cookies. Roll out vegan cookie dough, use fun animal cookie cutters, and bake until golden. Decorate with vegan icing, and voila! These recipes are not only fun but also super easy for your little bakers to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun recipes. Happy baking, everyone!